Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cosmetic Line. First of all, I want to tell you that on this channel we discuss about the cosmetic technology, recent trends, research and development going on, new patents, skin science, herbal products, color cosmetics, cosmetic market analysis, formulation aspects, novel ingredients, cosmetic microbiology and various such cosmeceutical aspects. And if you like our initiative, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and for more such informative videos, share with your colleagues so that we get motivation to make videos for you. Let's start the discussion now. With the popular demand, today we are going to see delivery system, which is the advanced cosmetic technology, and in this series we are first going to see what is delivery system, skin penetration mechanism and the types of delivery system. As you know, the skin is a miraculous organ, and the cosmetic and personal care industry continues to make improvements on how to maintain the health and beauty of this organ, the largest in the body. Much of the radiant youthful glow on the skin is often achieved through the delivery of advanced active skincare products. These products are designed to work effectively on the surface of the skin. Delivery systems are chemical agents carrying active compounds to the site of their action. So, they are usually contain anti-aging compounds such as vitamins, whitening agents, antioxidants, UV filters or fragrances. They may also be applied in hair care cosmetics as carriers of nourishing agents, dyes, conditioners, humectants, deodorants and anti-static agents. Delivery system technology can be divided into two areas. The first is surface or topical delivery as defined by the FDA in the US as cosmetics, and the second is delivery that is below the surface, usually called as drugs. They are frequently used in cosmetics because of their properties including stability improvement of the active compounds such as protection from sunlight or exposure to air, and the compounds improve resistance to elevated temperatures. A change in the active compound penetration properties. The controlled, sustained or delayed release of the active compound at a specific time and site and to the required depth. Protection from the interactions with various substances in the formulation, that is prevention of contact between incompatible substances in the formulation. A change in the form of the active compound, a solution of limited solubility, incorporation or application of the substance. The improved tolerability of the skin to the surface, that is the minimization of the concentration of active compound in the epidermis and dermis, thereby reducing the risk of irritation. It also improved aesthetics of the formulation, the masking of unacceptable properties of the substance such as change of color or the elimination of the unpleasant odor. The skin can be penetrated via two general mechanisms. First is the physical means or other is the chemical means. Types of physical penetration mechanism include iontophoresis or use of small electric charge, electrical currents, thermal, light or ultrasound energy. Chemical penetration can be achieved by means of organic solvents, fatty acids, alcohols, surfactants or proprietary enhancers. Whether entering the skin physically or chemically, there are three types of methods to achieve cell layer penetration. Transcellular penetration goes into and through the stratum corneal cells, as you can see in the picture. Intercellular penetration goes around and through the overlapping stratum corneum cells. Transepithelial penetration takes other paths in the skin, such as through the opening around hair follicles, via sebaceous glands and into sweat glands. The transepithelial route is known as shunt route and is less important as it represents a small penetration area of the total skin surface. Now the types of delivery systems. Generally, there are four types of delivery systems, that is novel delivery system, vesicular delivery system, emulsion delivery system and particulate delivery system. We will discuss this in our next session. Till then, understand this topic and comment down below if you want to discuss any other topic through comment box. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your love.